In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your industry info in QuickBooks. Setting your industry properly helps QuickBooks tailor your experience, from recommended accounts to reports that make the most sense for your type of business. It's a quick change that can make your bookkeeping cleaner and more useful right away. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with several options designed to manage your company's setup and preferences. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where most of your company-level details live. Once you're there, you'll see different sections along the left-hand side. Click on the Company section. This area contains your core company information, and it's where your industry setting is stored. Within the Company section, find Company Info. In that panel, look for the field labeled Industry. To make changes, click Edit. This will open the field so you can select the industry that best matches your business. You'll usually see a list or a searchable drop-down. If your exact niche isn't listed, choose the closest category that reflects how you operate. The goal is to select an option that aligns with your typical income and expense patterns, so your default accounts and reports are more relevant right out of the box. As you make your selection, keep in mind that this setting can influence things like suggested chart of accounts, default reports, and certain industry-specific features. Don't overthink it. Choose the category that's the best overall fit. If your business evolves over time, you can revisit this area and update the selection later. Once you've picked your industry, click Save. That's the key step that locks in your choice. After saving, your company file will use this industry information to better organize your financial data and recommendations. That's it. You've successfully set up your industry info in QuickBooks. To recap, you click the gear icon at the top right, selected Account and Settings, opened the Company section, found Company Info, clicked Edit next to Industry, made your selection, and saved. A small change like this can streamline reporting and make your books feel more tailored to your business model. If you're working with an accountant, let them know which industry you chose so they can align any custom reports or accounts with your selection. And if you ever need to fine-tune it, just come back to the same spot and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more customized QuickBooks experience.